Welcome back, glad to have you here as always. Today we're going to be taking a look into the Air Jordan 1 heritages and find out, are they really bricks or are people just over exaggerating? So let's go ahead and take a look, shall we? Now, when you first open the box on the Air Jordan 1 heritages, you start to notice a couple of things that really stand out. And one of those things that really stands out are the bright colors on this shoe. The whites are brighter than the normal whites on a Jordan 1. The reds are very vibrant, and even a dark color like black stands out on this shoe. Now, one of those things that I want to get off first is the laces. They come with 3 sets of laces. You get a set of red laces and you get a set of white laces, as well as the black laces that are already in the shoe but not laced up. That's one of the big major drawbacks of Jordan 1s. They never come laced up. But y'all let me know down in the comments, which set of laces would you go with? I've seen various combinations of red, white, red and white, red and black, but I've never really paid attention to anybody that has had the all black laces in there. So you all let me know, which ones would you go with? I'm not a fan of the red and I'm not a fan of the white. So I mean, I guess my only other choice would be black unless I pulled out an extra set of laces. But y'all let me know what you think. Now, this shoe is comprised of an all synthetic leather upper, you know, the usual for Jordan brand. Hits of white on the paneling that extend around to the toe, and then you get the red and black back here. There have been a lot of names for this shoe: the alternate breads, the white bread toes, or the Chicago Jordan 1s. And when you take a look at this shoe, you can definitely see all 3 of those colorways and you know, really understand where people are getting the name from. So looking at the back heel tab, you got this red and black that is very, very reminiscent of the Chicago Jordan 1s, with some really nice soft grain leather. Just look at that. That's really nice and really soft to the touch. You get this all white here on the mid paneling and on the toe, that, you know, is not very reminiscent of a Chicago because the white is so bright. And if I remember correctly, and correct me if I'm wrong because I've never had a pair of Chicagos, but the white was never this bright. It was a little bit more toned down, but it is definitely around the shoe, giving you a feel of that alternate bread or reverse bread, as a lot of people call it. And then you have this really nice red leather on the toe box that kind of puts you in the mind frame of the bread toe as well as the bread. Now, if you look at it on the side right here, you get a really nice Nike swoosh. You get a really nice nylon tongue with Nike Air branding in black and red. And then looking at the sock liner, you get a black sock liner and then a white insole down there. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try to get it as best as possible. Now, bringing it down to the bottom, you get an all red outsole that you see a lot on Jordan 1s, whether it's the bread or the bread toe or anything else you can think of. You get that classic red outsole. Now, are these really bricks or not? A lot of people are calling them bricks because of the resale price. The resale price is not really there. I think at the time of this recording, you can still get these in certain sizes at retail or below. And if I can give you a shot of what the resale prices look like, I'll throw it somewhere up on the screen to kind of give you all an idea of what I'm talking about. But yeah, in the sneaker community, bricks are judged based on the resale value. Klarna had a deal with the sneaker brands online where if you did the pay in four, because that's what Klarna is a pay in four program. If you participated in that, you could get these shoes at way under cost. And I think the cost was around 130 USD, which I definitely had to take advantage of that just to give you all a quick detailed review and then, probably get rid of them because that is my plan. I was not very hype on these shoes. These weren't on the top of my list of must-haves, but at that price, I definitely had to get them to bring you all this quick review. Now, looking at everything and then taking a look and trying to, gauge how I feel about them, would I call these bricks? I'd have to say I'll leave that up for you to decide, because I mean, at the end of the day, whether a shoe is a brick or not, it is all personal opinion, a matter of personal opinion. Some shoe I might love, you might hate and call it a brick, but a shoe that you might love, I might see it and say, hey, I think that's a brick. I don't necessarily think a brick is determined by resale value, but I mean, hey, if that's what you're into, that's what you're into. I think more so along the lines of, are the people, you all. So let me know down in the comment section below, are these Jordan 1 Heritages bricks? I'll probably do a more in-depth video on these and, kind of really give you all my heartfelt views and opinions on these. I just didn't want to do it for this video. I wanted to leave it up to you all before you all got my major opinion. So please be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. The most important part. Yeah, with that being said, I will definitely catch you all later. Let me know what you think about this Air Jordan 1 Heritage. And yeah, that's all I got for you.